Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of Crypto Milad. So we are here today at the Friday 27 September 2024. I wish you all welcome, friends, family, Bitcoin lovers. We're gonna make a great show today. It was a nice day because how you guys saw, Bitcoin had a pump and we're gonna analyze what it will do or what it should do and what it shouldn't do, and let's go together to the charts to make a great Friday, guys. First of all, I'm gonna make the screen a little bit more little so you guys can see the charts. Okay, I think like this it's great. Then everybody can see the charts and we can see the prices and everything. Let's begin, guys, with the Bitcoin chart. We always begin with the weekly chart. So let's see what the Bitcoin did today. Like you guys saw, Bitcoin is coming more nearby this downward sloping channel. It comes more down and more down, and we are reaching. We are now really reaching the resistance line, guys. Like we are not far above the resistance line. It's now at. Look, let's look exactly where is this resistance line. It's exactly at, for this week it's exactly at 66,500. For the next week it will be a little bit lower. Then it will drop like with 200, but I expect that Sunday is the last day, of course, from this week. So then we get a new candle. The bull's trying to push up, guys. The bull's trying to push up, like we discussed yesterday. It's like that the bulls really like to break this long downward sloping channel since beginning March. It's now four times rejected, where the bears take over the control, and we went down again. Went out again to find support at the lower line. Where is the support line from this channel? And you see, guys, lower lows and lower highs. So we really need to break the end boss what we spoke, and that's really, like we really need to break this line. I think if we break this line, it can like a weekly close above this line, what's at 66, let's say 66, 500, 600. If we break this and we close above it in a weekly chart, then I'm very bullish. The MACD looks good. It looks like it will cross. The CMF, it looks good. It's going up again since a long downwards cash money flow. You see it, like it went really long time down. And now we go a little bit up, so let's see what's gonna happen here. With the RSI, we are still above the yellow line, and we are at 55, 56. So actually, that's good. Let's go to the 4-day chart. The 4-day chart, it's simple, guys. It needs to close above the 67. Like 60, 67. If you have a close above 67, it's great. And then we can push it up. The MACD looks better than the weekly because we already crossed the green line, crossed the red line. The CMF looks good. The RSI looks great because we are already, like now, since 13 September we are above the yellow line. So that's very good. So to keep it simple, we need to close above 66.5, 67. We need to have one close above it at least to change the ritual of the last 6 months, guys. Because you see, we never closed one candle of the 4-day above this line. It didn't happen since this channel was created in begin March. Let's go to the day chart. The day chart, we can see that Bitcoin is really pushing up. The bulls really pushing up. The bulls, like we discussed yesterday, a break above the 64,300 and a close above 64,300, 400. It means that a big chance that we're gonna retest directly this line. So, and we did, because yesterday we closed the candle here. That was the yesterday candle close. It was at 65,300. So it means it was far above the expectation of the day candle before. So that's great. And you see today the bulls try to push it more up, and it go to 66.5. Like if it closed above this, the moment that it closed above this line, I know that we're gonna, the chance, like, never 100%, but the chance that we're gonna retest this line, it's quite big. The chance of probability that we're gonna try to, that the bulls gonna try to reach, because here come the real support. Here are the sellers waiting for this line. They are waiting for this line to push it back again, because when they short at this moment, what they did 3 times before, because the people that look, I'm gonna explain you one thing, guys. Let me make this big. Like the traders that closed, that shorted here, that shorted here, that's shorted at 22 May, that's shorted at 6 June, that's shorted at 30 July, when we reach this upper line, resistance line. These are the same people that gonna short here. These are normally the guys with lot experience and long time in the market and with big amounts. They trade the zone, because trading a zone, it's more chance of probability that it goes well than like that it one time break above. Of course it can break above, but the chance that it doesn't break above the previous times, it was quite big, and the people and the big guys know this, and they already shorted there. So what you think they gonna do here? What you think that they gonna do here? Maybe we're gonna false breakout even little bit above the 67. Maybe we push it up even to 68 and a half, 69 maybe even. Maybe we push it until the end, but the most important is that we close 1 daily or 2 daily or 3 dailies above this line, because that didn't happen. Like here, it broke 2 times above it, short candles above it, but it was not strong enough. It was not strong enough, and the volume was also not so good. Actually, you see the volume was lower than here. So let's see what the bulls can do here, and what the bears how the bears gonna react here at the bulls at this line. This is become closer and closer, guys. This is really getting excited. This is really getting excited when we reach this line, because here are the bears waiting, guys. Here are the bears. You see it like if you look at like this, like the bulls are running to this line. And here are the defense. Here is the defense. Here are the bears waiting with their soldiers to defeat the bulls, to push the price back again. And who knows to where? Maybe to 60k, to the moving averages here, because here's a lot of support. Or they want to push it one time more to the 50k. It's possible. Like here, it's a good moment to buy at the 50k, because here are the bulls. Here are the bulls waiting when they short here. So let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen, and Maybe we're gonna see it this weekend. Normally the weekend, like, it's less volatility because less volume in the market, guys, because the stock market, it's closed. But maybe you never know. Sometimes it pushes even in the weekend, but generally in the weekend it's less volume. But in this case, because this is a little bit expectation, because look, long time we try to break this line, and this is people are focused, guys. People are focused on this line. This is the line what we need to break out. So let's see what's gonna happen today. It's a nice day, Friday weekend, exciting. I'm gonna make the weekend tomorrow and after tomorrow for sure a video also every day with you guys. I'm gonna make a nice video because I want to like give some true information, some valuable information what you guys can learn of my experience of 10-year trading, 3 years in the stock market, now 7-8 years in the crypto market. I want to give some true information. I see too much guys that are just here for the money, the YouTube channels just for the money, just to let you go leverage and lose your money so they gain money. Look, this channel, guys, I don't make money at all. I don't have nothing here to make money off. I just want to give true information. I want to make a community with you guys that we can reach, that I can learn you guys to reach some financial gains that you can really, some life changers, you know. I don't want you guys get trapped in this market because it's a hard market. It's a tough market, guys. There are tough guys inside this market and they know how to manipulate the crowd, the mostly of the crowd that don't know so well as them at the market. They see the most people as like money, and they just want to get your money. They don't see you like a person, they see you like money, and they want to get your money. So we gonna protect. I gonna try to you guys protect your money, protect our money, so you guys don't lose your hard work money and to the big guys. So we're gonna try here make a channel that I can give you some good information, let you make a good decision, because the end decision, guys, let that be clear, is on you. It's your investment, it's your decision, it's your choice. You need to investigate also, but I'm gonna try to say what I do. And I'm quite convinced in my method because I have a good risk management. I have a good plan before I make a trade. So I'm gonna try you guys to give the knowledge what I have learned in the past 10 years. And if you subscribe here, I also gonna make some nice beginner videos, some nice trading videos, some tips and tricks. I'm gonna try and make weekly or each 2 weeks a nice video about how you can learn some new things. It's not only about the Bitcoin price, it's also about learning things. It's not about like giving somebody the fish to eat. No, learn how to fish. And that's what I'm gonna learn you guys. So hopefully you guys can use it and get some gains in the bull market, because the bull market is coming, guys. Like, the bull market is easy. People can make easy money. Just you also need to know when you need to short, when you need to sell, when you need to how to protect your money when you win, because the most people, they win in the bull market and they lose everything again. And that's not the right method. The right method is build up and be a trader for long term, not just for 1 season or for 2 seasons. And for that you need to have a plan. And the plan I'm gonna learn you what is the plan, and you guys can experiment with the methods and see how far you can come. But let's hope on so I can reach the subscribers, financial freedom, and some good money for the future, hopefully, because like a happy face, it's all why I'm doing this. Okay, enough about that. The daily charts was great. So we have this line 67, what we need to break, 1 2 close, 3 close above, and we can push it up to 100k, guys. The indicators looks good, MACD looks good, CMF looks good, RSI looks great. So let's go to the 4-hour chart, a little bit shorter term. You see, when we broke this line of yesterday, from this moment we went up. You see it. We retested one time and then boom, we went up. Because this was really the line what we needed to break at 64,800, what we discussed yesterday. So let's see what's gonna happen. If we reach the next 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, if we reach in the next 5 hours this line of 66, 67, I expect a little pullback, guys. I don't expect that we in one time crush above it. If we crush above it in one time, it's always possible that you crush above it and you push it up. But what I told you, a lot of guys are here. The big guys are waiting here, guys. This is the zone. This is the zone, like where people are really waiting about what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen here? Like, let's say from this zone. Like this is the zone. What from let's say 69 until let's say 66 and a half until 69 is really a range where you can expect some strong defense from the bears. So let's see what's gonna happen there, and hopefully we go up, guys. We are a long time in this. In this channel, and the Q4 is coming, guys. We are now at let's say 27 September. In 3-4 days it's October, the Q4, guys, and hopefully the Q4 will bring some nice things for us. Normally the Q4, guys, for the market and the stock market and the crypto market, it's quite good. That's the best 3 months of the year normally to get some gains. But I heard a lot of people talking now about the Q4, so sometimes when the crowd talk too much about something, it can go the opposite, but I still have a lot hope and faith in the Q4 in the last quarter of the year. So let's see if we can break some new all-time highs and push it up, guys. Finally, let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks good. A little bit same story as the 4 hour. We need to push it to the 67, and from the 67 we're gonna decide what's gonna happen. I wanna show you guys 2 scenarios. What could happen? Let me zoom a little bit in so you guys see it good. Like there is 2 scenarios here, or maybe even 3 scenarios. Now I see more 2. So let's get the 2 biggest chance of probability scenarios. One is we come at this line, we go a little bit, we stay a little bit at the line and we push it up, and we go test the 70k here, the high before this, the high before. So that was exactly at 70k, and we push above 70k to the 100k. That's one probability. The second probability, what also is a big chance, we hit the 67, 68, 69, and we have a wick down. So it's a false breakout. People gonna think, oh, we are we are out the channel, and you get one wick and it fall down to 60k, and from 60k we push it up. And there is even a third scenario that we cannot push it up from this line, from this support, from this resistance line, and we fall even under 60k, and we push it maybe under 50k, and we get one wick, the last wick maybe, and we push it up and we break up and we go to the 100k, and maybe that's next month or before or the month after, somewhere in the Q4, begin next year. So 3 scenarios, what can happen for me, a big chance that it can happen. So yeah, let's see. Okay, let's take a look at Hoppy now, the coin what we discussed yesterday. I told you guys yesterday Hoppy, it's a great coin for the long term. It's really, really a great coin. It's really, I think it can go 100x from here. It's really have a chance to go 100x. The team is good, but I told you guys yesterday, at this moment I told you guys it's getting a little bit too oversold. Like you see here, you see here also lower, like it cannot go up the previous high on the RSI. I expected here a little pullback. Let's see into where it can go. The pullback, and I am sure that it will push again up. But like I said yesterday, there is a chance that we have a little pullback, and maybe through the weekend, because it went really lot up already. You know, it went like up from the breakout from 1 week ago. It went already up 130%. 120, 130% it went up. That's a big, that's a moment that you see that the RSI get in areas of 80. You see then that some traders, they already double their money and they want to take some profit and they want to buy it for a better price, a little bit, go a little bit more down. I don't know. Hard to say until where it go. Let's see. Maybe until, like, even if it go until 82, it's good to buy. Let's see on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, maybe it can go to here to the 100, to the 1, 3 zeros, 1, 3 zeros behind the comma and the 1. So maybe it drop a little 10% from now, but you saw it. I really expected a little drop, and from this moment you saw a little drop, and let's see if the CMF also can push it up, because if the CMF cannot push it up, it's always a good trick. If you see the CMF going down and the price is going up, it's normally not such a good sign. It means there is less money in the coin, but the price is going up. So what you think that in this moment gonna happen? You see it in the 4 hour chart here. 3 days ago it went up, it stays above the line, and here it get a little bit weaker, and then we push, and then we become under the yellow line, and now we go more down. Like I say, I have a lot of I'm really bullish on this coin. Just what I already talked yesterday, we can have a pullback of a couple days. But I don't worry if you are in this coin. I think it will do great, guys. I think you're gonna make some nice profit from it. Today, the meme coin, guys. Friday meme coin. I see the meme coins are pushing in all ways. Like you see, I saw all the meme coins are 10, 20, 30% up. Like Pepe, it's like up again today, 10, 15%. Let's take a look at Pepe. What is Pepe doing? Pepe pushed really up, guys. Like, scums are really oversold at this moment, because it went so much up in a couple days. Like for me, normally when the red one comes here, it's normally a sign that it's very oversold and there is a chance of a 1 to 4 candle correction. Because it really went a lot up, guys. Like from the breakout, it was a good moment to buy at 720 here. It broke out one daily candle close above it, and from this moment, if you buy it, it was really a safe buy. I personally buy this breakout. That's why I took the line and I was looking for it. 46% it went up, guys. It's a good investment. Like each €100 you was already at 150. And Pepe did it good today. Like I was looking to Ape coin. Ape didn't go like it's going up, I think Ape coin for this price, for 80 cents, I think it's not a bad buy. Just I'm a little bit waiting for let me show you guys the 1 hour. This line, 860. If this breaks with 1 hour candle above it, one close above it, I'm gonna buy some ape coins, guys, because I think then it can easily push to the one to the €1 or more again, and that's already then a 16-17% only to the €1, and from there, you don't know where it go. This meme coin, I bought it today because I shorted this a couple days ago because it went quite high. Like it went at 60, I sold it at 59. And from there it's going down. I buy it here again. I buy it at 29 again. So let's see what it will do. This is a Omikami. It's a meme coin. The market cap, it's not that high. It's like maybe at 20 million. But like it's a coin to keep an eye on. It's a little meme coin, and sometimes it has its moves. You can sometimes you need to know the right moment to sell it. Don't keep it like, you can of course keep it for long term if you're betting a little bit money in it and you're just hoping for the 200x or the 100x. But if you trade serious amounts, it's sometimes good to take some profits, guys. Otherwise, you are like you stay in these things, and before you know, it goes it goes underwater. This coin also, the bread, it can really break out from here and it can go up, guys. The bread, you guys for sure know bread. The most meme coin people know bread. It's a strong community. It's not bad. I invested in it, and let's see what it will do. I think in the end of the bull market, that can easily go 10x, 15x, 20x. You never know. Maybe even more. It's already an 1 billion market cap, this coin. So it's not that little. It's not like the market cap of Hoppy or what I just Omikami. It's not this kind of market caps. It's a little bit bigger project. Okay, guys, then this was it for today. I'm gonna make this weekend, I'm gonna try make a nice video about some tips and tricks about trading and risk management. I think you guys can use this kind of tips. I think for sure somebody can use it, and I'm gonna try a nice video about it so you guys can learn about it and protect better your money and don't lose your money, because my main goal is all the subscribers to don't lose money, and we're gonna gain some money. We're gonna take some money from the other people in the market. We don't gonna give our hard worked money to the big walls or to the other people. So that's my main goal. Let's try to do that. Let's try the positive vibes. And for today, I think it was nice. I give you guys what I expect from BTC, so you guys know a little bit when is the moment to watch out. That's at 67, 68. So let's see what's gonna happen the upcoming days, guys. I wish you guys all a fantastic Friday, great weekend, and hope see you tomorrow, Saturday, to our great show about Bitcoin, about a couple altcoins. And don't forget to subscribe. If you like the episode, please a like. It will be nice. Help me to get more subscribers. What I can help, what we can help to grow with each other. And make a nice platform together. Okay, guys, I wish you all a great day. See you soon. Crypto Milad. Ciao.